So according to you, what is the future of digital marketing in 2025?
Oh, so that's a good question. So AI is going to change the game entirely for 2025, right, into digital
Okay.
space, right?
So could you please tell us the difference between AI and digital marketing? Because the digital marketers think that AI is going to cover all the market. So is that possible?
No, not really.
As a viewer's point of view, if someone wants to start their digital marketing, so what is the roadmap? In a pointers, I would say.
Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast series. My name is Gun and I will be your host tonight. Today we have our seasoned digital marketer Mr. Achal Sharma who has 10 plus years of experience in digital marketing. He has worked in the topmost companies like Wipro, Facebook, Bitcoin Wednesday and so on. And if you are a small business owner, a student or a digital marketer beginner, then this podcast is for you. So stay tuned, stay connected till the end. Hello sir,
Hi, Gun.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Great. Thank you for coming to our podcast.
It's really my pleasure. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you. Can you just let us know more about yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, my name is Atul Sharma. I'm a digital marketing consultant and a mentor. Currently, I'm working with OSN Learning. That's a specific industry in education, which providing various courses among top industries, right? Which is a highly demand. For example, data science, data analytics, digital marketing, cyber security, and a lot more. So, I have got 10 years of experience in this field, right? I'm a .NET developer, and after that, I converted to as a digital marketing specialist,
Okay.
right?
So can you just let us know what digital marketing is?
Okay, so in a simple term, we can say that digital marketing is all about promoting your product or services through digital channels, such as on internet, on Facebook, on email marketing, or through influencer marketing, right?
What was your journey?
So that's a good question. Sorry, I was started as a .NET developer, right? So I was
Okay.
learning how to develop website and application. And once I get my first job, okay, there I met a guy who's into digital marketing. He actually let me know what exactly the role of a digital marketer is. It's just not about we pretend to create a website and then we thought that our business has been established, but it's not true. Once you create a website, once you create an application, or even you create a Facebook page, your job actually start from there, because you have just created a showroom for your business, right? Or you can consider yourself as a business, okay? A small office you have operated online. But now how people will come to know about your office, your online virtual place, right? That's the job of a digital marketer, where he actually tried to promote your product, your services. He tried to aware your services. He tried to find out the potential customers, and then he tried to bring those people on your project, on your property. Property could be your website, could be your application, even it could be a YouTube channel, and so on. Right? Once they come up, they try to engage with them. Right? Engage means, let's say some people come on your website and then they click on any button. They might be playing, watching a video on your portal. Right? Sign up, they might be buying something, right? All these are part of a digital market. Thus, this is not the limited things. Apart from this, he's the one who's going to retain them, right? How retaining? Once somebody come on your portal or he sign up for something, right? He's not yet being a customer for you. He's not buy the product. He's just been inquiry for you, right? So making an inquiry is also a crucial and that's typical task to bring somebody from a lot more billions of people out there on internet, right? And you bring somebody on your portal to look for whether he is interested in your product or services. Once he is, then the real job start. We try to retain them. We try to aware them that we are the best product or services we are offering. And this is the whole journey. It starts.
So as you have worked in companies like Wipro, so according to you, what is the roadmap to start a digital marketing?
For digital marketing.
Yeah.
If you want to become a digital marketer, first of all, I would say that you start with learning specific technologies. Try to connect with more specific people, more professional people, get a mentor, right? If you go for real hand technology, then you need to look for internship. You get an internship, you come to know what really you need to do as a digital marketer, because there is a project, there is a company who's giving an opportunity to work on a real projects, right? Physicalities is also there, right? Where you can explore the real culture, where you can explore the real technologies and the challenges you will face while working as a digital marketer. Moreoverly, after you go for internship, then of course, I must say that you should be starting as a blog. You can start, or as a social media account you can create and start working and utilize your strategy, whatever you learn, right? Utilize over there to know about the results. Moreover, this industry based on results. It's not about the theoretical part, right? It's only about results. Even
Okay.
if I go for a new job, they will ask me about what results I have been so far,
Yeah.
right? In terms of SEO, in terms of
People
email
just
marketing.
want results.
Yes, that's the
Hmm.
point.
Okay. So could you please tell us the difference between AI and digital marketing? Because the digital marketers think that AI is going to cover all the market. So is that possible?
No, not really. See, AI, artificial intelligence, is the technology which help you to understand the data, to perform the repeated task, okay,
Okay.
and come up with the predefined task, a predefined data, okay. When they structure the data and then they pick up
Okay.
analytics, you can perform. Whereas digital marketing is all about promoting product and services or brand online through various channels such as
Yeah.
SEO, email marketing, social media, influencer marketing,
Yeah.
and so more. That's the core difference, first of all.
Hmm.
AI is a part of repeated task
Yeah.
analytics, and they can perform the repeated
So
task.
basically, AI helps digital marketers.
Yes, in a
Okay.
simple term. So if you come to know about AI tools, definitely they can save a lot more tasks. They can come up with repeated tasks for you.
Okay. So what will be your strategy if someone is starting their digital marketing
As a career or as an agency?
as a career?
As a career. Well, I must recommend try to find out best training or internship programs out there.
Okay.
Why I must say? Because it will save a lot more time for you. If you go for course, definitely a course goes to 2 months, 1 month, or 3 months. 3 months is the bare minimum time where you can get a basic understanding for a little bit, right?
Okay.
But 3 months, if you are investing for learning a course and getting a certificate for course, it will be good if you try to look to hunt for an internship as well, right?
Okay.
Which can provide you training on the one hand as well as the internship.
So
the
training
real,
is very mandatory.
of course,
You learn.
courses out there is good. You can learn from YouTube. There are many other portals you can look forward to learn courses. But I must say that you should be looking and hunt for a program that offer you training and internship.
So can you please suggest some of the website which will help digital marketer beginners or experts both?
Okay. So if you're a beginner, so definitely you should be hunting for SAMrush. Okay. HubSpot is a HubSpot blogging will guide you more about the digital marketing from basics to advanced. Moz is one. Then of course you can look forward for advanced level. For media digital marketer or experienced digital marketer, definitely you should be hunting for search engine journal, search engine land, right? These are the top websites which are going to provide you advanced knowledge about digital marketing into various different sectors such as SEO, search engine marketing, email marketing, and lot more.
Okay. So after that internship course, the student can start learning or doing freelancing, right?
Of course, yes. You are asking about the completion. Before you go for completion, in the last hardly 2 weeks or 3 weeks, candidates start doing their own projects. They hunt for projects. They even create their own platform to reach out to more audience. And meanwhile, I must tell you that what I have experienced throughout my career within OSN, that many of the students get hard look for the better opportunities within after a month. Okay. So that is a good opportunity, and many of them already get success rate.
So as there are like a lot of digital marketing agencies, so what are your suggestions to start a digital marketing agency or just do a freelancing?
See, first of all, we need to understand both the things are completely different. Okay, where you're looking for a freelancer, you are an individual, you need to handle everything. Whereas an agency is a group of people which can provide you more services.
Okay.
More hands will be there. Okay, a person cannot be all rounder definitely.
Yeah.
Right, you might be have a skill for one specific thing, but might be you know about every other stuff, but you're not be more successful or more specialist onto other. Agency hold many other specialism, right? But if you're starting, it's completely depend again on an individual ki how he want to build his career, he want to make his survival, whether as an individual, right, exploring the industry, getting freelancing, right? For us students who have been learning, who are into graduation or doing something, definitely I must say you start as a freelancer.
Okay.
Try to explore this world, try to explore the projects, because this is how you can grow mentally also, and you can gain on experience, right? Then you can look forward for an agency after you get an experience of 1 year or 2 years in a field or as a freelancer. Definitely you will have a clear idea how you should be growing next to scale up your profit and all, right? You can then go for an agency outlet.
So while doing graduation,
Yep.
a person can start learning courses.
Yeah, definitely. They
Okay,
can start
so
managing
they
that.
don't need any degree and all
No.
of graduation. I just wanted to know that a person should be of commerce background or from tech background to start digital marketing.
Well, some of the companies required that you should be coming from the same background, such as MBA degree, MBA. You should be performing coming
Okay.
from BC and all.
So
Right.
digital MBA in digital marketing only or in marketing?
In marketing, that
In
can be
marketing.
a
Okay.
but yes, I'm talking about a very specific one. Okay, but it's not completely true. If you're coming from any other background, also any other education, also, I have trained the people, right? So I know that they are making a good profit because this is a skill, first of all, right?
Yeah.
It's not a very compressed thing that you need to be understanding. It's a skill. If you look for as a skill, definitely it will help.
Okay, so tech is not required.
No.
Okay. So as I have seen many of the people, many of the students who had studied digital marketing from from a well-known university or institute, but at this point they are struggling. So what is your advice on that?
Okay. So, yes, I can understand this because I have trained many people who are already aware, who have already covered some course or might be have a degree also. But again, I will say that, you see, it's just not about the course. Course will provide you the knowledge, okay?
Okay.
Basic knowledge maybe, what is digital marketing, the theoretical part. But once you go on a real floor, they don't expect you to come up with the theory. They want you to come up with the practical, right? They want you to come up with the solving skills, right? So I will suggest that for those people who might have completed the course from anywhere from the part of the group, I want to suggest them then go and look for an internship, right? And a successful internship. See, there are many type of internship out there, okay, to be honest, okay? So if you want to create a good successful career in this field, definitely don't look for money, okay? That I'm just want to go for money. I have successfully
You
done a
can't.
course. No, my friend, look for internship. Get a good certified internship who's being providing you, right?
Get knowledge.
Get hands of knowledge to how this industry works. As an intern, you will be going to look and explore the real technologies, the real industry demand, right? What the challenge you're going to face. It may be an e-commerce company you're working for and a project, right? You come to know how to list the product. Where else, while you're learning in a course, you will only come to know okay, how to do SEO and all, right? While you work on a project, then only you come to know actually where you need to utilize those theoretical parts, right?
Obviously.
And this is the problem solving case where you should be going for internship. Or if you're not able to look for an internship, meantime, what you can do, a guy can create his own blog, right?
Okay.
Its own website, right? Start creating it. Start whatever you have learned so far in your course on the online or from anywhere.
Yeah.
Start implementing on those websites, right? And check out the results.
Yeah.
That is
That's
the
a great
results. And
idea.
once you have that results, that is what you can discuss in the interview. Sir, I have created this website. I have done this internship, and this is what my challenge and my results are.
So the person can also show the experience of the blog too.
Yes, of
How
course.
from this to this.
Right, but
Yeah.
it should having a measurable,
Yeah, obviously.
goals, of course, how he have created,
Yeah.
what was the goal, and how he have performed that.
So as you have worked with so many companies, so what are the most common mistakes business make in digital marketing?
So the most mistakes I have encountered is the poor strategies. Poor strategies make up big mistakes because the whole game roadmap is depend on the strategy, what you want to achieve and how you want to achieve that, right? So strategy is one of them. Secondly, bidding and the budgeting is second challenge for our businesses. Third, which I say, is lack of product understanding, you can say, because the manufacturer or the company know about their product, but they actually don't know about the core targeting. So product as well as the core targeting, I must say that many digital marketers who I work with, they might be getting confused with what and how they should be selling with the target audience. So these are the three things that whole games depend: your target audience, your budgeting, and moreover, your strategy to achieve your goal.
Let our viewers know about ads, because some of them are thinking that Facebook ads and Boost ads are same.
Okay, so on Meta platform, we have this boosting ads, and Facebook ads is a completely different part. Boosting ads is all about the lightweight interface. If you're non-technical, to be honest, you can go for boosting an ad, which offered you a simple way to reach more people with the existing post which you have made. You can just boost it. You can show and get more engagement such as likes, comment, and share. But it is a very light way to reach out your customers. Whereas on Facebook ads, such as Ad Manager, if you say Facebook Ad Manager is a completely different interface, which provide you more control on your ads, which provide you more targeting options, versatility, and of course, you can manage and create more campaigns successfully, right? More control you will get on it. As compared to boosting is a simple part where you invest an amount and you try to show more audience about your product or your services.
So, as you have worked these many years and now you're working as a mentor too.
Yeah.
So, what is the benefits for the beginners to join OSN Learning?
So let me tell you this honestly. I have worked with many companies, to be honest, into education industry. From last, I guess, 4 to 5 years probably, I'm been into education thoroughly, where I'm teaching and providing various digital marketing trainings all over the world, right? OSL Learning, why I choose OSL Learning? Because of one specific thing. They are providing training and internship moreover.
Okay, the
See,
internship.
one is that you go for any course with any institute which providing courses. That's where I found out that the core difference is that the mentor will be only the one who's going to describe, okay, this is SEO, this is digital marketing, you need to create an account. It's a very basic thing.
Yeah.
Okay? But while you go for an internship, what I found at OSN Learning is that's the core difference is that they bring out projects first of all on the table, on the real time values they will going to provide you. They will going to, it's just not about that they're going to provide you theory.
The physical experience you were talking about.
Yeah, it's more about the practical experience where the industry, once a person goes to on a real floor, what exactly they need to do, what exactly they need to achieve, that is what it being trained over in this program through OSN Learning.
So what are the 5 tools you would suggest our viewers if they are a digital marketing beginners?
So best 5 tools that somebody should be looking for. Okay, one is SEMrush. You can look forward. SEMrush, of course, is a subscribed. It's not free completely, right? But yes, SEMrush will offer you a lot more opportunities, such as into content researching, right? To observing any analytics of third-party website. Then, of course, Google Search, Google Analytics are the 2 most favorite tools. That is completely free, of course, and you can get much more information about how these tools perform. Then, of course, you can look for Canva, that is for graphic designing. But Canva is not a small tool. It's just about to create images. It also help you to create videos, AI avatar, and lot more. Right? And apart from these 4, you can look for moz.com or href to find out more values.
Okay. Right. Thank you. So according to you, what is the future of digital marketing in 2025?
Oh, so that's a good question. So AI is going to change the game entirely for 2025, right, into digital space, right? And that's a huge companies or the people who are not aware of AI, they should be looking forward to know more about AI, how we can utilize AI into digital marketing. Second, AI is one of them. Second, you can look for AV and VR experiences, right?
Okay.
So virtually everything is being over there, right? But metaverse is changing the whole game. How people are going to interact. The virtual reality is going to be more advanced, right? So if you want to create a career, you can look for virtual reality also, where you can play with VR and all, right? Augmented reality. Apart from these 2, definitely you should be going for data, right? Data science and data analytics towards where you can play more games into it, right? Because data is one of the requirements where they need professional people to understand and structure the data depending on the queries.
And what about digital marketing?
Digital marketing is one of them. Of course, digital marketing will be there for too long, right? This industry is not going to end anywhere, right? If somebody want to create a career, definitely you have a big future over here, right? From going from small level to high level, everyone having a scale of digital, right? But of course, yes, it's a challenging role. If you want to come up, definitely it's not that key how much you have learned, that is only what you have learned. No. This is a digital industry, my friend. You need to learn a lot more. It's throughout the journey of learning, right? Learning and applying. That is more important.
Okay. As a viewer's point of view, if someone wants to start their digital marketing, so what is the roadmap? In a pointers, I would say.
Okay. So the first thing that somebody should be doing is go and learn digital marketing, through a course, through any providers, right? Second, Meantime, you should be creating your own website or a blog and try to implement every such thing, whatever you're learning over here. Third, I will recommend that you should be connecting with professionals, some mentors to guide you to get update the latest technologies. Fourth, you should be going for joining some newsletters from different websites such as Search Engine Land. You can look for Search Engine Journal. You can even look for HubSpot blog or Samrush blog. Moz is one of them, where you can learn every such thing. Right. Apart from this, to make save your time if you're willing to, then of course you can join a kind of program, training and internship, so similar kind of reason, right? Where you can save a lot more while you're learning, you are implementing those things, right? Then after all those things, if you have done all this internship and program, then you can go forward. Try to look for internships, right? More internship in your resume will increase more chance of yours where you can look forward to get hired on a real basis, right? So implementation should be there. Without implementation, company might not be hiring you. Definitely not hiring you. Not even the MNCs, not even the small businesses.
Yeah.
They will look forward to look there is something, some practical, some real hands experience you had in your resume. If you had, definitely they increase the chance of you to get hired.
Okay.
Right.
So like there is a lot of confusion if a person should start learning online or offline, which is better. So what are your thoughts on that?
Well, to be honest, if I talk about a learner specifically, it doesn't actually matter. If you are a learner, if you want to become if you are thoroughly to that you want to achieve to learn about digital marketing or any subject, it doesn't matter whether you're going for offline or online. On the scale, I must say that 63% of people worldwide are going online. Why? Because it opened the doors to get global connectivity. It opens the door of networking. It opens the door that you can connect with global people. It scale up. It open more opportunity to somebody to go and travel worldwide. Thirdly, of course, while going for online, it may open the chances to learn and explore various other things as well. As compared to an offline interview, I won't say that offline doesn't work properly. It also opens the chance in a physical way. But yes, online, I prefer online because definitely you're working in a digital phase on online industry. So definitely online prefers more because remote jobs out there might open the success rate, right? And you've been get familiar okay, how to face the online challenges. Sometimes you're disconnected with the systems or something. So you've been very familiar with while doing online classes and interviews.
So a person can start learning digital marketing online.
Yeah, of course, definitely. And it's been more easy, to be honest.
So whether it is good for an entrepreneur to learn digital marketing or not?
Well, I must say that they should be learning about it. Why? Because they will get a more clarity which platform they should be starting. It will make easy for them to understand what strategy actually going to work for them. And they moreoverly for looking for, just for imagining number, they can have a real insight about the success rate, right? Moreoverly. To learn digital marketing for a businessman, it is more important, I must say. Why? Because everything is being going online, right?
Yeah.
And moreoverly, on offline basis, they have more opportunity. Any business, maybe you're working for a manufacturer, whether you are a retailer, whether you are doing any kind of sort of business, right? You have an opportunity online. So once you somebody learn, especially a businessman, they can look forward to open various opportunity by themselves.
Various platform too.
Various platform, various business idea will be encountered. They will learn how their product can get sold on through different platform, right? That is the one of the points. Second, how they can increase, how they can save some amount of going for offline, and what they can where they can invest online. Whether they just invest $1 or a penny, right? They still get a good chances of get sales.
Okay.
Right?
So as you said, product selling.
Yeah.
So if a person is selling product by paid ads, right? So like there are two platforms I know, Google Ads and Facebook Ads. So do we have any other platforms like them?
Yeah, of course. We have different platforms out there. You can go on LinkedIn, you can go on Pinterest, you can go on TikTok. Well, apart from Google Ads, there are many ads. You can go for Bing ads, right? Other search engine marketing ads. See, what matters over here, every interface, every platform which I named, they're having a different way to create an ad.
Okay.
But moreoverly, a person who is into this field definitely know which is the strategy, because every game over here, whether you go for paid, whether you go for organic, depend on the strategy on the roadmap. Okay, how you want to aware, how you want to reach out to your goal, right? Whether your goal could be anything. It could be your sales, it could be conversion, it could be brand awareness. You want you want your app to get to install on your mobile devices. You want brand awareness. You want a video to get many views, right? A song to get viral, right? Everything. These are the different goals, right? And to achieve these goals, you will require a strategy, and that could be a paid strategy, right? Whether you go for paid advertisement, and even on paid advertisement, you will decide which platform you should be going for.
Okay.
It is Meta, it is Google, where, right? Similarly, on organically, they're having different words, right? So if a business, definitely I will say, if a business know about digital marketing, they will make it easy for understanding which way they should be utilizing it.
Okay.
Right.
So which platform is like to start with?
About learning digital marketing?
No. To start paid ads.
Paid advertisement, if you want to start with us, then again, it depends on the requirement.
Yeah.
But I must say that you should be starting first with the social media, with the Meta advertisement, because it gives you more opportunity.
Okay.
And morally, it is more easier and having a light interface to understand with non-technical person. Then of course you can go for Google Ads, right?
Okay.
Because Google Ads is one of the tools that show your ads on the right time when somebody is searching for your product, right?
Okay.
So that is the one of them.
So every platform has
different problems, different challenges, different interface, and different
Yeah.
process to create and launch an ad.
Okay. So there's a lot of things to learn
Of
in digital
course,
marketing.
it's a complete, and still it's involving. There is a
Okay.
lot of things that have come
No,
up.
because people think that it is a very easy task.
No, it's
very
not.
easy.
It's not easy. People actually have met many people. As I mentioned, I'm a consultant, so I've met with many businesses out there, right? Some of them doesn't have actual clarity where they should be starting.
Okay.
Somebody have advised them to create an application, they have created. Somebody said them to create and launch an ads on Google, they started. But actually they don't have a clarity, a roadmap where they should be starting.
Okay.
Right. So that's the first thing.
So as you said, so have you started your work as a freelancer before?
Yes. So once I start knowing about digital marketing, then my career started in 2017, where I created my own website, first of all, with the name of Rocketwork, and then I started. So at that moment, I was a freelancer, through which I got projects into different fields from different industries, such as entertainment, medical, right? And a couple more. Education is one of the top, most of the one where I get more of the jobs. And currently today, I'm also been into education field itself.
Okay.
So while working as a freelancer, right, my career shift more over into consulting, right, and then a full-time jobs I apply for, and throughout my career I got better opportunities, good opportunities, to be honest. While I got an opportunity from India, that from Arena Animation, then I go to for Wipro, then through Wipro I goes to OSL Learning, right.
Okay.
Before it, and through my freelancer journey, I work with Bitcoin Wednesday, if you have heard about.
So you switched from freelancing to
full-time
job.
Right.
Okay.
Students spend thousands of dollars in education in abroad and end up by getting no job. If you're somebody who was eager to learn digital marketing but getting no results from anywhere, you might have learned digital marketing from open source. You might have achieved a certificate online, but still you find lack of confidence. You might be facing difficulty to get a job. Here is the solution that you can look for: training and internship course program at Quaison. This program is coming from global level, and thousands of people have already joined and get hands of experience, and even they have got the jobs waiting for you to come up and join this program. Look forward, get consulting about the program, tell about your problems, tell about your achievement, and definitely you will get a real consulting with the Oasis Learning families, and definitely you will get a hands of projects to learn more about it.
Thank you, Achal sir, for joining us tonight.
Thank you.
So before ending this podcast, what message would you like to give our viewers?
So only message that I want to give to our viewers, that always go for hit and try method. Whether you are learning digital marketing, especially, definitely this works into experience. So hit and try methods is only the key to get success in this industry.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching our podcast episode until the end. And if we have given you even a little bit of insight, then do like, share, and subscribe. And do let us know in the comments that what kind of podcast episode you would like to see next. And we will see you again. Until then, stay connected.